So one way to record audio only is through Screencastify. And we typically think of Screencastify as a video recorder. I'm using Screencastify to do this right now, where I'm getting my desktop and my embedded webcam. But you can also hear me, obviously. So one way to do this is you just go up to your Screencastify extension, and I can actually do this when I'm recording a video, which is cool. I'm going to click on this, and you'll see these 3 lines up here. Go to My Recordings. So the first thing that you want to do is just record whatever you want the audio of, right? And like here's a bunch of different videos that I've made. If I wanted only the audio of, say, this Screencastify blocking camera and microphone video here, then I would just open this up. And so now this looks like the screen that you get after you create a Screencastify video. But if you come over here to download, and I'll move myself over come over here to download, you have this export audio only option. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to export this as an MP3, which if you're unfamiliar is just an audio file. So I'm on my desktop computer, but if you were on a Chromebook, this would export to Google Drive. It's going to look a little bit different because I'm on a PC. Now, if you are on a Mac or a desktop computer, it'll look the same or similar. I'm going to click download MP3. It's going to open up a new window here. Oh no, they changed it. So now I have this MP3 file, and this is on my computer. So our next step would just be to go to Google Drive. I think I actually even have, I have an audio clips folder. I can simply click and drag and drop that sucker in here. And now I'm just uploading it to my Google Drive. It was super fast because my computer freaking rules, and it's just an audio file. And so here is this. Notice it's titled the same thing as my Screencastify video was. I can click on this, and it's just playing as an audio file. So now you have an audio file. And then all you would have to do is take the audio file and put it wherever you want. And if you want to know how to put an audio file into Google Slides, I have a video for that as well.